The next transaction, 2nd Jan 2020, bought goods for rupees 1 lakh. So bought goods. So this is nothing but your purchase. Goods which are bought with an intention of resale, you term it as purchase. This rupees is nothing but your cash. So these are the two accounts involved in this transaction. So your step 1 got over. Step 2, you are going to classify this into personal, real or nominal. So purchase, I am going to consider this as an asset as it deals with goods. So it can either be taken as real or nominal. I am going to take this as real. Even if you take it as nominal, this purchase will be treated as an expenditure, right? Anyways, this will be debited. Okay. So now as I am going to take this as a real account item, similarly cash also comes under real. So what is the rule when both the accounts comes under real? It is very easy for us to apply the golden rule. So what is the rule? Debit what comes in. So when we purchase goods, goods are coming into the business, right? We are going to debit that. Credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Able to understand? Now we will write the entry. So date, you put under the date column. All these things in the previous video I have shown you the format. So date, you will be writing the title. Okay. Date, particulars. You need not write the format for each and every entry. Once you write the title and the format at the top of the page, you can utilize the entire page. You need not write the format again and again for each and every entry. So now 2nd Jan 2020. So purchase account debtor, to cash account 1 lakh. Bought goods for cash. This is the narration. The next one, 3rd Jan 2020, opened an account with State Bank of India, rupees 2 lakhs. So now, when we open an account, we have to deposit cash. So cash and State Bank of India. These are the two accounts involved. So now we have identified the two accounts involved. We are going to classify. Cash comes under real. State Bank of India comes under personal. It is an artificial person. The next one is we are going to apply the golden rule. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For personal, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So here when we open a bank account, cash is going out. So we are going to credit cash. Now who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. So debit the receiver. So what is going to be the entry? State Bank of India account debtor to cash account. What is the amount? 2 lakhs. You write opened an account with SBI.